Hey, it's Mike here at Payam Data Recovery. Water damage is one of the most common reasons why phones fail. Even though phones have water resistance, wear and tear can degrade the sealing over time, making them susceptible to water damage. This was exactly the challenge facing this Samsung Z Fold 3. I witnessed something extraordinary as their senior recovery technician, Weey, performed what can only be described as electronic surgery on this severely damaged device. This wasn't just any repair case. The phone had suffered severe water damage, and when Weey examined the dual-layer motherboard, he discovered extensive corrosion had penetrated deep between the layers, essentially burning the circuitry from the inside out. Making matters worse, the customer had tried charging the phone after the water damage occurred, a common mistake that accelerated the corrosion process. Another repair shop had already attempted and failed to fix it, declaring it beyond repair. With the customer's permission, Weey made the bold decision to perform a component transplant. Like a heart surgeon preparing for a complex operation, he carefully removed the phone's most critical components, the CPU, RAM, and storage chip, from the damaged motherboard while they were still functional. Using a donor Z Fold 3 motherboard, Weey meticulously prepared the receiving board by removing its original components and cleaning every connection point. This level of precision requires years of expertise and steady hands. With surgical precision, Weey transplanted the customer's original CPU, RAM, and storage chip onto the donor motherboard. The moment of truth arrived. The phone powered on perfectly, with all the customer's data intact and accessible. This is the kind of advanced repair that only a handful of specialists like Payam Data Recovery can perform, turning electronic disasters into data recovery miracles. Thanks for watching.